welcome back to the channel. Like and subscribe if you haven't already. Let's get to it. So today, what I've done, I've got some more custom plugs. That's right, I've got more custom plugs. But unlike the ones I got from the Crazy Factory, these ones are made from metal, and they're from AliExpress. Now when I saw these, I just had to get them because they're only £3. Now that was only £3, and with the extra speedy delivery I got, altogether with the tax, it was £6. So, and that's for two of them, not just one of them. So this is a hell of a lot cheaper than the Crazy Factory ones, and they're made from metal. So I had no choice, but I had to get them. So let's have a closer look at those. Right, so this is how they came. Came in pretty standard envelope, rip that open, and they come in this rather nice little box. So as you see there, got the two plugs. Open this up, and the seller's store was called the Kubu's, or however you pronounce that. So if we get these out, then we can get our first look at them. A bit stuck in there. And just have a look at that. So yep, as you can see there, I got the Abducting Gods Tattoos logo again. Yeah, if we bring that in. See, it's a nice clear print, you can read the small text. You've got all the details in the little icons. See, the actual stretcher itself isn't anything fancy. It's just a rather standard metal stretcher. Or plugs, whatever you like to call them. It's got a threaded back on it, which is the style I prefer. And just try and line that up. It's not the greatest thread in the world, but I think for £3 for the pair, can't really complain. Right, if we have a look at this one here, it's the lo-fi character I designed in the previous video. I thought it'd look rather cool as a plug, because when ordering them you only had the option to get a pair, so I thought I might as well get something a bit different. Yeah, if we have a look at that a bit close up, you can see there the print is fairly decent, but I can see some lines going through them. That's not the end of the world. Let's have a closer look at the other one. Yeah, that's much clearer. I think the simpler the design you go for, the better it will be. Because these are both 18mm ones. They have different options for different sizes. And obviously, the bigger sizes are more expensive. But yeah, I think £3 for two plugs, that's not bad at all. Also remember, we better compare them to the ones from the Crazy Factory. So here's that one. It's been through some abuse lately because it's all I've really worn. And I think that the picture itself came away from the, what was it? The plastic piece on the front there. So it's looking a bit rough. If we can just compare it to this one here, you'll see that they're very similar print quality, slightly different design. But other than that, they're practically identical, other than these ones being made from metal. So if you're in the market for them, I'd probably go with the ones from AliExpress, because it's just as good as the one from Crazy Factory at a fraction of the price, plus it's metal. So yeah, these are still good from Crazy Factory, but I prefer the ones from AliExpress. Alright, so overall the build quality of these is rather good. Nothing excellent, I've seen much better. But for customised plugs, it's not bad going. I'd definitely recommend these if you just want like a gift or something for someone, because they are just fairly basic. But yeah, I quite like them. I think for £3 you can't go wrong. Right, let's swap over to some pictures of them in my ear and we'll get this video finished. So yeah, that just about concludes my review of these new plugs. Overall, I'm very happy with them. The design of them is great. Like, for just that amount of money, you just can't go wrong. I know they came from China, they're made really cheaply, but the overall product was really good in the end. So it only took about 3 weeks to actually get here, but that's because I paid for the extra fast delivery. So yeah, I'd definitely recommend these if you want some plugs and you're not in a hurry. So yeah, that's all for now.